Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lesson number 40 of half yearly and today's SW number will be 28. And dear student, our today's topic name Chapter 7. From Chapter 7 we shall solve CBQ number 4 as your CW and CBQ number 5 will be your SW. So my dear student, let us start our class. We have already written CBQ4 and CBQ5 on the board. Okay. So at first we solve question number 4. Read first. Shihab bought 7.5 kg rice at 40 taka per kg and 0.5 kg dal at 115 taka per kg and 2.5 kg vegetables at 30 taka per kg from the market. Okay, this is the stem. By using a stem we shall solve question number A, B and C. The question A is how much money did he spend to buy rice? Question number B is how much money did he spend to buy vegetables? Question number C, how much money did he spend in total? So my dear student, this is the question. At first we make a plan how to solve this math. So question number A is how much money did he spend to buy rice? My dear student, in order to solving this math, please go to the stem first. Here you notice Shihab bought 7.5 kg rice. That means she bought the amount of rice is 7.5 kg and 40 taka per kg. That means he bought 1 kg rice at 40 taka. I repeat, he bought 1 kg rice at 40 taka. So in total he bought 75 kg. So now we write the price of 1 kg rice is 40 taka. So the price of 7.5 kg rice is how much taka? We do multiplication and we get the answer. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of math. Okay, question number B. How much money did he spend to buy vegetables? Just like question number A. Notice he bought 2.5 kg vegetables and what is the rate? The rate is 30 taka per kg. That means from this information we can write the price of 1 kg vegetables is 30 taka. So the price of 2.5 kg vegetables is how much taka? We do multiplication and we get the answer of question number B. Dear student, question number C. How much money did he spend in total? My dear student, he bought 3 articles from the market: rice, dal and vegetables. My dear student, for buying 7.5 kg rice he needs some money which is found in question number A, and from question number B we have already find out the price of 2.5 kg vegetables. Now in question number C, at first we find out the price of 0.5 kg dal at the rate of 115 taka per kg. So after that we do addition of this of the price of these 3 articles, then we get the total amount of money. Do you understand? I hope you have understood because I know you are very smart learner. Okay, now question number A. So first of all we write how much money did he spend to buy rice, and from the stem we have already found that the price of 1 kg rice is 40 taka. So write the price of 1 kg rice is 40 taka. Therefore the price of how much? 7.5 kg rice is, we do multiplication, that means 40 multiplied by 7.5 taka. Here we show the solution, that means 40 multiplied by 7.5. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. Ones place done. For this reason we write here 0. Then 7 zeros are 0, 7 4 jar 28. Now my dear student, we do addition. 0 0, 8 to 10, carrying 1, 2 1, 3, 3000. Now we place this point. Notice after point there is only one digit, so we place this point here. Okay, so 300 taka. So he needs 300 taka to buy 7.5 kg rice. So right, therefore he spent, sorry, here we write spent because the question is in past form. He spent 300 taka to buy rice. Okay, and as our solution is done, we must write answer 300 taka. This is the solution of question number A. Next we shall solve question number B, just like this one. Okay, how much money did he spend to buy vegetables? From the stem we notice the price of 1 kg vegetable is 30 taka. So the price of 2.5 kg vegetables is how much? We need to find out that. B number question. The price of 1 kg vegetables is 30 taka. Therefore the price of 2.5 kg vegetables is 30 multiplied by 2.5 taka. Now we do multiplication. 30 multiplied by 2.5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 3s are 15. 0 ones place done as write 0. 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6. So 0 5 7. So as after point there is only one digit, so we place point here. So 75. So 75 taka. And similar we write he spent, therefore spent 75 taka to buy vegetables. So B number done. Next we shall solve question number C. How much money did he spend in total? How much money did he spend total? So in order to solve this math, we need the answer of question number A and question number B also. So C, from A we get she have spent 300 taka to buy rice. From B we get he spent 75 taka to buy vegetables. Okay, now we find out the amount of money that he spent to buy dal. So right, the price of 1 kg dal is of 1 kg dal is 115 taka. Then therefore the price of 0.5 kg dal is 115 multiplied 0.5 taka. Okay, now we do multiplication. That means 5 5 jar 25 carrying 2. 5 on the 5 plus 2 7 and 5 1s are 5. So my dear student, you notice for this point I write here point because after point there is only one digit, and for this point, for this reason this point is placed here. That means in order to buy 0.5 kg dal he spent 57.5 taka. Okay, now my dear student, the question asks us to find out the total amount that he spent to buy that 3 articles. So we do addition of these 3 amount and we get the answer. In total she have spent 300 plus 75 plus 57.5 taka. Now we do addition only one point, so we write this 5 here and this point is here, and now we do addition of these 3 numbers 7 5 0. 7 5 jar 7 and 5 if we add then we get 12 carrying 1. Now 5 on 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 0. Okay, now carrying 1 3 on 4, so 432.5 taka, and this is the answer. Dear student, this is the answer of question number C, and I hope you have understood our today's CW. Now I shall give you a question as your SW, which is CBQ number 5. There are 0.63 liters of oil. We want to divide it equally into 7 families. Question number A, 2 divided by 4. That means we divide 2 by 4 and we get a decimal numbers. B number question, how many liters of oil will each family get? That means my dear student, 7 families get 0.63 liters. So one family get how much? We do division and we get the answer. C number, if the cost of 1 liter of oil is 100 taka, then what will be the cost of each family? My dear student, we have already find out each family gets how much oil from question number B. Okay, the price of 1 liter is 100 taka. So the price of each family's amount liter is what? We do multiplication and we get the answer. I hope you have understood how to solve question number 5. Okay, my dear student, you must do your essay in SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.